ask a few questions. Right, this is Colin. At the moment, he's smiling, sort of. He's got a very big eye. He looks like a cyclops, but he's feeling healthy. But unfortunately for him, some bacteria, some kind of small rod-shaped bacteria, have got in through his mouth. Remember, that's somewhere they get in through his nose. So they'd be a lot smaller in real life, and they've got into his body. Once they're in his body, there's only a few. What can they start to do?
Reproduce.
They can start to multiply, reproduce. Squash that one. So quickly, 2 becomes 4, and then becomes 8, so on and so on, and it starts to build up a large number. Now, they manage to reproduce quickly. Colin's white blood cells, this is the large white blood cells that do the eating, basically. They come in and they manage to just engulf and digest some of the bacteria. So all the ones they've done, I'm going to take out. So he gets one, taking that one out. He's engulfing some, and they try their best, but they're not really good enough this time, and the bacteria manage to just multiply until there's so many. What's going to happen to Colin?
Die.
I said bacteria, dealing with bacteria here, not virus. What's going to happen to him? He's going to have an infection. Good. There's so many bacteria, he starts to feel sick, so he's not happy anymore. He's not feeling too good. He might have symptoms like a fever. He could have a rash. And until his body gets rid of those bacteria, he's going to feel unwell. Now, luckily for him, some more of these white blood cells come, but even more importantly, a different type of white blood cell arrive, these here, and they come into contact with the bacteria. They don't kill them, but they start to do something else. If I was to cut one open, that would be the large nucleus inside.
Can we eat that? It's so yummy.
Blueberry. So, these come into contact with the bacteria,
Very cheap ones at Foodland.
and what do they start to make? Antibodies. Now, for antibodies, I've got some blue coloured staples. They'd usually be Y-shaped in your textbook and stuff, but these are going to be the antibodies. So they're made by these white blood cells, and what they'll do is, not that one, they'll stick to the bacteria because they match this type of bacteria. They're made to match this type of bacteria. I'm just going to put in a few more. He's making some more here. Okay, now what they do is sometimes they can directly cause the bacteria to be basically